Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Kavita Parashar from Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri. Dear children, today I will be taking lesson from NCERT book Marigold, lesson 4, Little by Little. This is the first part of the video. The video is mainly based on the explanation. It's a time to check big brain of yours. Keep a track of how many of you can get right answers. Remember, you will get 5 seconds to listen or read the riddle and then 5 seconds to think. If you need more time, you can pause the video. Now the riddle is, when this is very young, it is known as sapling. Every year as it grows, it gains an extra ring. Is it something with a bark, but it does not have a bite? With a lot of sun and rain, it can grow to a great height. Now let us see the answer. Yes, you are right. The answer is trees. Trees are nature's logbooks. They can live hundreds or thousands of years. Get ready for the second riddle. I am a seed with 3 letters in my name. Take away the last 2 and I still sound the same. Now you see, seed with the same sound? Yes, answer to this riddle is P. Peas are actually seeds. P and PEA sounds the same and has 3 letters. Next riddle is, what part of a tree can grow on your foot? I'm sure you are going to pause the video to think answer, as I know this is the toughest one. Answer to this riddle is a corn. It is developed on a foot. It is a hardened layer of skins, whereas acorns are the fruit of an oak tree. Once there was a little acorn. It had a green cup and beautifully curved saucer to hold it. The mother oak fed it with sweet sap every day. The birds sang good night songs above it. It was very happy. There were many acorns on the tree, and Mother Tree whispered loving words to all her babies. After few years, the green cup turned into a brown cup. It grew stiffer and harder. Now leaves turned from golden to brown. Some of them fell away. One night Mother Tree said to Acorn that this tree is not your permanent home. This is not your true life, and I will let you go. After some days, you will wake up to a new life. After few days, the Acorn was parted from his mother and he was alone on the ground. He was feeling very sad. In the meantime, some raindrops trickled through the ground and moistened its shell. I must arise, Acorn thought up, and the living plant came up. It had roots growing downwards and shoots growing upwards like other plants. It started growing above the ground. The mother oak tree was very happy to see its child. The mother oak said, "You are now a little oak tree. I bless you that you stretch higher and higher. You may live up to thousands years." We'll recite the poem afterwards, but let us go through the words and their meanings from the poem. And the first word is acorn. Acorn is a seed of an oak tree. The other word is hidden. Hidden means prevent from being seen. Slender means long and thin. The word mighty. Mighty means powerful. Sipped means to drink a little at a time. Dew. Dew are the drops of water that forms on the ground and other surfaces outside during the night. Mossy bed. Mossy bed means an area covered with the moss. And moss is a very small green or yellow plant that grows on wet earth or on the rock. Downwards means in or moving to a low or lower position or level. It's time to experience the rhythm of language. Please welcome your friend Vaibhav Arora from class 3rd, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Janakpuri.
Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav from 3rd B Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri. I am going to recite a poem. The title of the poem is Little by Little. Little by little an acorn said as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. Thank you.
By little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride.
Dear children, here the poet expresses about the life of great people. He says that even the biggest tree began its life as a tiny seed. Just as an acorn, every child wants to grow. My dear children, you will also grow into a wise, intelligent individual. The poet conveys here that no work is small or big to reach to a greater height. You have to take a small step. God bless you. Now comes the explanation part. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. In these lines, an acorn, the fruit of an oak tree, tells us that it is growing little by little each day. At first, it laid down in its damp place of moss and gets itself deep inside the earth. It grows gradually and every day feeding on the little dew drops. Explanation of second stanza. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. In these lines, the acorn tells us about the stages it passed to grow into an oak tree. It describes how it started spreading its roots downwards into the earth, and then after few days a tiny plant shoot up from it. Then the days passed and the years passed, and slowly it started growing its leaves and its branches for a while, and a young plant becomes a mighty oak tree. There are few facts about the old oak tree. I know you're not going to believe it. Oaks are one of the oldest and widely spread trees on this planet. They have existed way before humans were here. They feed various living creatures with their leaves and acorns. Even early humans built their homes. They also created tools. Oak wood has great strength and hardness. Oak wood has been used as a hardwood timber for thousands of years. You'll be surprised to know that an oak tree produces around 10,000 acorns during a year. Oak trees do not bear fruits until they are 20 years old. Here are three pictures. One is of barrels, second is of flooring, wooden flooring, and the third is of ship. Can you imagine that all the three are made of from mighty oak tree? The national tree of a country is one of the symbol of prides. As we all know that our national tree of India is the banyan tree. Do you know why banyan tree is the national tree? Because it has medicinal properties and is associated with its longevity. It gives shelter to birds and animals. It represents India and its people from different races, religions, and castes. As our national tree is the banyan tree, to your surprise, I may tell you that all these countries mentioned here have one thing in common. Their national tree is the oak tree. Acorn, the large nut-like seeds produced by the oak trees, are a food source for a wide range of animals. Now you can see in the picture squirrels, pig, bear, deer, etc. After the beautiful facts regarding the mighty oak tree, now is the time to see seed germination. Let us welcome Loboni from Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri. She'll be telling us about the germination of seeds.
Hello, I am Lavoni of class 4th B, reading in Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri. Today I am going to tell about germination of seed. The life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. When the seed is sown into moist soil, it begins to grow. This process is called germination. Conditions required for the growth of a seed are moisture, warm, nutrient-rich soil, sunlight, good quality seed. Once these conditions are satisfied, the seed begins to grow. The seed contains a small baby plant called an embryo. Embryo inside the seed protected by a seed coat. The first sign of growth is a tiny root which comes out of the seed. The root grows downward and the shoot grows upward. The shoot will eventually develop leaves.
How beautifully Laboni has explained us about the germination and what do seeds need to grow. Now welcome Ditya from Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri. Let us see what she has in store for you.
My name is Ditya Thakur. I study in class 4, Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri, New Delhi. Today I am going to tell you about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plant and other things make food. It is an endothermic chemical process that uses sunlight to turn carbon dioxide into sugar that the cell can use as energy as well as plant. Many kinds of algae, protists and bacteria use it to get food. Photosynthesis is very important for life on earth. Thank you.
Let us learn how to plant trees. Take a pot with a hole at the bottom and put some soil and manure in it. Add those seeds into manure and mix it well. Now pour some water in the pot. After few days, a small plant appears. Now dig the ground gently. Pull the seedling along with roots. Now place the seedling into the pot. In this video, we have solved riddles, we heard a story, we learnt word meanings, we recited a poem, we understood explanation of the poem word by word, noted many beautiful facts about an oak tree. Your friend told you that the process of germination and photosynthesis. At the end, we learned how to plant a tree. Dear children, take care of plants, save environment. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.